Alright, so due to scheduling and holidays and all that, this project is still in progress here. So we're finishing up the hood vent that we made for this, and then in the corner, this car had hit a deer at some point, and so it crinkled up the corner. And so we chopped the corner out of another car to put into this car, because since we're doing all this to the engine bay to make it look nice, we want that corner to look nice. And so we're going to cut in this little piece to make it look proper. Then we're going to get rid of this bash bar because my intercooler is too big